Hi, I'm Kobe with KCL Creations. Today I'm going to explain why it matters exactly where the dent is on the vehicle's panel. What we have here is a pretty typical car door that we've removed the outer door skin to give you a sneak peek at what's going on inside the door. Up here in blue is the upper brace. As you can see, this particular one has some slots and holes that may allow us some access to the dent. Not all upper braces have these holes, making access more difficult or impossible. Moving down the panel, highlighted in green, is the center of the door. Typically, this is the easiest area of the door to repair. We can generally slide a window guard and plastic wedge in between the glass and outer door panel to gain access with our tools in this area. Below that, in yellow, is the crash beam. This is what protects you in the event of a side impact collision. We are generally able to work down to the brace, but not below it without additional disassembly. When the damage is below the crash brace, we may need to remove the interior door panel, the door speaker, and in some cases, remove the door from the car to gain access through lower weep holes and the wiring harness. In red, around the outside edge of the door is where the outer skin wraps around the inner structure. This actually creates a triple layer of metal, making this the most difficult area of the door to repair, if not impossible. We hope this video gives you an idea of what's going on inside your door and how it can affect our repair process. For more information, you can find us on the web at kclcreations.com, or you can call us at 970-815-4657.